In this project, we use the following components: Arduino Uno, jumper wires, USB power cable, breadboard, and push button. These components help us create a simple interactive display system. Now open Arduino IDE. Write the code to detect button presses, sends messages to the serial monitor. Display interactive text whenever the button is pressed. The serial monitor will work like a virtual display, or you can directly paste the code. Now, connect the Arduino to the computer by using USB cable. Now select Arduino board and correct COM. Then click Upload to transfer the code into Arduino. We will use the internal pull-ups resistor of Arduino, so no external resistor is required. Then connect the push button one side to D2 and another side to G and D. Now we start building the circuit. Connect the push button to breadboard. After uploading the code, open the serial monitor from Arduino IDE. Now the system is ready to display messages. Now press the push button. When the button is pressed, Arduino detects the input. A message appears in the serial monitor, for example, button pressed or welcome to interactive display system. Every button press can show a different message. Now, this project is useful for learning serial communication, interactive Arduino projects, beginner electronics, display system simulation. It is a simple and beginner friendly project for understanding push button interaction and serial monitor output. Thank you and happy learning.